Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on the Vet.ai channel. Today in our Tools section, we're going to show you something really special. Your first steps into the world of programming in an incredibly simple way. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content about technology, artificial intelligence, and veterinary medicine. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all the latest updates. In today's world, where technology and artificial intelligence are advancing at a tremendous pace, having basic programming knowledge is becoming an increasingly valuable skill, especially in the veterinary field. And while AI greatly facilitates code creation, understanding programming fundamentals will help us identify and solve problems in more complex applications. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your first web applications using 3 basic ingredients: HTML for structure, CSS for visual design, and JavaScript for functionality. The best part is that we'll do it in the simplest way possible, using AI as our personal teacher. In the video you're about to see, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your first web application. We'll start with Claude, our AI assistant, who will generate all the necessary code for us. Then, using just Notepad and our web browser, we'll see how our creation comes to life. With this foundation, you'll be able to create everything from simple games to practical tools for your clinic, such as dose calculators or custom forms. And while AI greatly simplifies the programming process, understanding these basic concepts will help you in the future to adapt and improve your applications according to your specific needs. Remember that in today's veterinary world, where technology plays an increasingly important role, these skills can make a real difference in your daily practice. It's not just about creating applications, but understanding how they work so you can adapt and improve them. Are you ready to take your first steps in programming? Let's get started. And don't forget to leave in the comments what kind of applications you'd like to learn to create. Your opinion is very important to keep improving the channel's content. Let's begin this exciting adventure into the world of programming.